How to enable Quick Notes on iPhone. Here's how to enable and use Quick Notes on iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Control Center. Under More Controls, find Quick Note and tap the plus icon next to it. This adds Quick Note to your control center. Now, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open Control Center. Tap the Quick Note icon and a new note will instantly open. You can type text, paste links, add checklists, or save information without opening the full Notes app. All of your Quick Notes are automatically saved and can be accessed later in the Apple Notes. This is a great way to capture ideas quickly while browsing, studying, or working on the go. And that's it. You've successfully enabled and started using Quick Notes on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.